Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to fix an action camera chin mount to your helmet. There are different kinds of helmets in the market, so it is technically impossible for action camera manufacturer to design individual chin mounts for individual helmets. So what we get is a universal chin mount. That is where the problem arises. See, when we try to fix this chin mount to a helmet, now imagine I have sticked it here as it is without doing any modifications. Okay, now when I try to fix this chin mount, you can see there is gaps in the corners. When there is gaps at the corners, that means the point of contact from the chin mount to the helmet is very less. So you cannot ensure a proper bonding between the chin mount and the helmet. So you will always risk losing your action camera while you are riding. So in today's video, I will teach you guys how to solve this problem. So I'll keep this helmet aside for a while. For this, you need a 3M sticker. It should be a branded authentic 3M sticker. Do not go with any local stickers. And you need M seal. You need a chin mount. You need an insulation tape, scissors, and one small blade. So let's have a close-up view. So now what we have to do is we have to put insulation tape over here. Okay, so that is the first step. Cover the entire parts with the insulation tape so that it will protect your helmet's finishing. Or else what will happen when we are working with gum, all the smudge marks and gum marks will stay permanently on the helmet. Now I have properly sticked insulation tape and I have covered the front portion of my helmet. Now the second step is cover your chin mount with the insulation tape. Okay. If you don't cover it properly, MC will damage the chin mount and it will be very hard for you to insert action camera. In case if the gum comes out from this area and all, it will become very hard. Now I have covered the chin mount properly. Now on the M seal, you get two compounds. You have to mix it together. Take both the compounds in equal proportion. Now mix it together like this. See that both white and black color is mixed together properly, and when you are done with the mixing, it should all appear black. Okay, now I think the gum is mixed properly, so it is ready now. So now all you have to do is take your chin mount and apply the gum like this. Try to apply it as evenly as possible. Now take your helmet and stick it in the center. First see where is the center, or else the alignment will go wrong. Okay, so we don't want the alignment to go wrong. We don't want the camera to stay misaligned. So see that you stick the mount properly now. Okay, I found the center position. Press it. If you have excess gum, remove it like this. Now I have properly fixed the chin mount using M-seal. I have created a proper base. I have also covered M-seal into every corners so that there is no gaps in the corners, and the alignment of the chin mount is also proper now. M-seal recommends to leave it for 30 minutes, but I would recommend you guys to leave it to settle for about 3 to 4 hours. So after 4 hours we'll have to remove this. So that would be the third step. Second step is complete for now. Okay, now so I have allowed it to settle for one whole night. So what we'll do is we'll remove the insulation tape now. So after removing the insulation tape, we have our base ready. Cut the 3M double-sided sticker for desired length. In the first part of the video, I forgot to mention about the heat gun. You need any heat gun or a hair dryer. So what you have to do is you have to heat this 3M sticker so that the gum will get more potent and it will stick properly. See that you cover all the corners also. Cut the extra 3M stickers. Now our base is ready. So what we'll do is we'll remove the upper sticker and we'll heat it again. Okay, now I have removed the stickers. I'll heat this again. Now take your helmet and align it properly. This is the final step of fixing your base, so align it properly. Press it nicely in all the corners. You have only one chance to stick it. If you go wrong, then you have to remove the entire 3M double-sided tape again and you have to put new ones. So to avoid all that mess, try to do it right in the first step. This is the last step. Remove all the insulation tape from your chin mount. So after removing the insulation tape from the chin mount, remove the 3M stickers backer, which is already provided from the company. Heat this again. This is the last step, so align it properly. And finally we are done with the project. This is how we have to fix the chin mount to your helmet. It's the most reliable and easy way to fix a chin mount. So let's just fix our action camera now. That's it guys, so I hope you have liked my video. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting and informative videos in the future. Thank you.